Beliefs run your life, and if your beliefs are incorrect, you're basing your decisions on incorrect information. Like if you believe something is gonna happen, it is not gonna happen, you're making the wrong decisions. If you think an opportunity is really big, but it's not really, you're not pursuing the same opportunity that you thought, and maybe the decision that you made to pursue this opportunity is not the right one. So how do you know what you believe is true? Well, you can't. You can't up until you test it. You gotta be able to measure the certainty that you have on a certain belief. You're never 100% sure of something, but you can be 80% sure that the thing that you believe is true because you have these many facts that make this possibility, likely. And you have these many facts that make the other possibility not really likely. All right.